Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I have lots of onions from home. I will make Oyakodon. Let's get started. First, peel and slice the onions. Oyakodon is a popular Japanese dish that consists of a bowl of steamed rice topped with simmered chicken, onions, and beaten eggs. The name Oyakodon translates to parent and child bowl in English, symbolizing the combination of chicken and eggs in the dish. It is a simple yet flavorful meal commonly enjoyed in Japan. Onions contain a component called allyl sulfide. This ingredient is believed to have a blood-thinning effect. Allyl sulfide lowers cholesterol in the blood and prevents the aggregation of platelets in the blood. To cook chicken, place it skin side down in a frying pan and sear it. Chicken is a lean source of protein and provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. It also contains vitamins such as vitamin B6, which aids in metabolism and immune system function, and minerals like phosphorus, which is important for bone health. Add onions. Let's make a sauce. Add water 200 milliliters, white soup stock 4 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon. Mitsukan's white dashi is a combination of kombu kelp and bonito with the richness and umami of chicken stock. It can be diluted and used in a variety of Japanese dishes. Pour 2 beaten eggs over the top. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food, rich in high-quality protein. The combination of savory chicken, sweet onions, and creamy eggs makes for a delicious and well-balanced flavor profile. Place the Oyakodon on top of white rice to complete the dish. To enhance the visual appeal, garnish with herbs such as parsley for a vibrant touch. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Arigato. See you next video.